With a confirmed number of cases rising by the day, President Uhuru Kenyatta has today instilled more measures that will aid in combating the spread of COVID-19 in the country. In addition to the COVID-19 fund, 8.5 billion shillings has been released to the elderly and the vulnerable groups under the Ministry of Labour's cash transfer program. An additional 500 million shillings has been spared for persons with severe disabilities.
We have identified needy households in Nairobi that will be the inaugural recipients of the weekly COVID-19 support stipend. The piloting of the program started yesterday, and some of the initial beneficiaries have received their stipend.
With the county governments receiving an additional 5 billion shillings for healthcare workers and the vulnerable, the counties will further receive a 3-month waiver from the Kenya Medical Supplies Authority (KEMSA) to locally source protective gear.
I do not want to hear of needless delays or frustrations caused of well-designed appropriate measures that Kenyans in the civil and private sector have designed to assist their fellow citizens. We must expedite our ability to deliver this assistance to our people in the shortest possible time.
The measures come amidst the number of confirmed cases rising, with 9 more positive cases confirmed, bringing the total to 234 persons, with 704 tests done in the last 24 hours.
Our testing capability has gone up dramatically, and we have tested over 10,000 individuals. This week, the Ministry of Health has received more testing reagents that will allow us to upscale our testing capacity, starting with targeted areas.
President Kenyatta has further condemned assault of police officers as well as police officers breaching their duties during the curfew hours.
You are meant to serve the people and to protect them, not to enable the selfish few to endanger the rest of Kenyans. I also want to condemn in the strongest way possible those of us who can assault or interfere with law enforcement officers doing their job.
The president has continued to encourage local manufacturing, especially with protective gear, asking manufacturers to adhere to quality standards and guidelines provided. Accordingly, the government has put in place a post-COVID-19 economic plan that may see suspension of debts owed to countries in a bid to cushion the country from harsh economic times. Kenya has so far reported a total of 11 deaths, with 53 people having recovered. Diana Rachel Mbogwa, Ibri TV.